How to invite contact in WhatsApp Business. Are guys facing issues to invite a contact in WhatsApp Business? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To invite a contact on WhatsApp Business, first of all, open app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this three dot icon. Just tap on it. After you click on it, select settings. Once you click on settings, look at the last option, invite a contact. Just simply tap on it. After you click on it, you will be able to invite a contact on WhatsApp Business application. That's it, guys. That's how we're gonna use invite contact on WhatsApp Business application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.